Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Surveymonkey. Surveymonkey is a platform that will allow you to create online surveys and forms that you can use to collect customer feedback or employee feedback, and you can also use this platform to do market research if you are planning to launch a new product or you simply want to see how customers feel interacting with your product. It offers numerous features which will make it perfect for persons that are looking to create a one-time quiz or whether you're a professional that is looking to do some research. Once you are signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard like this. And by the way, you can get started for completely free. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. But if in the future you like the features that they offer and you would like to go on a paid plan, you can do that, as it starts off at $25 per month if you want one of their theme plans. And if as an individual you want to sign up, you can see that it starts off at $34 per month. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. Once on the main dashboard, to create your first survey, you can either tap on Create Survey in the left-hand menu option or at the top right-hand corner. So we'll tap on Create Survey right here. After you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you have a few options. For instance, you can go over to the left-hand corner. You can choose to create a survey from scratch, or you can tap on Start from Template. If you would like to use one of their templates, you can tap on Start from Template. Then you can explore the different templates that they offer by scrolling down. So let's say you want to create a survey for customer satisfaction. You can tap on that, as you can see right there. But some of these templates have a lock icon on it. That means that you would have to be on the paid plan to use that particular template. But for this tutorial, we'll be creating a survey from scratch. So we are going to tap on Start from Scratch. Then we are going to enter our survey name. Let's say we want to call this survey Simple Answers. So we are going to do that right there. Then you can select the survey category. So we are going to tap on Customer Feedback. After you have done that, you are going to tap on Create Survey. And you can see it is creating your survey right there. Once it has loaded, you're directed to a new dashboard. On this new dashboard, you will now be able to start editing your survey. So we are going to scroll down a bit. The first thing you can do, right where you see logo, you could upload your logo right here by simply tapping on logo. Then from there, you can tap right where you see drag and drop. So you can tap on upload from your computer. So let's say I wanted to add a logo. I will tap right there. Then let's say I would like to add this random thumbnail. Let's see if it can work. So I'll tap on that. And you can see it is loading up. You can see it right there. It is a bit large, but I'll use it. You can see it right there. But to add a logo, you can see that that is a paid feature. But we'll still be doing it just for example's sake. Later on in the tutorial, I'll remove it. You can see it right there. After you have done that, you can add your first question. And you can decide whether it is multiple choice or whether you'd like to use checkbox or any one of these options. So you can type in your question right here. So let's say, for example, I want to type in, how was your experience using our product? After you have done that, you can see right there. Then we are going to scroll down and you can see enter answer choices. And you can see easy. We are going to type in easy. Yeah, and you can see it automatically fills it out, as you can see right there. And you can add another question by tapping on add next question. After you have tapped on add next question, you can see right there. And if you would like help with adding the question, for example, if you like some form of inspiration or so on, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option. Once on the left hand menu option, you can tap on questions bank. After you have tapped on question banks, you can tap on recommended questions. Once you have tapped on recommended questions, you can see some question suggestions right here. And you can simply tap on the one that you like to use. So you can tap right there. Then you'll tap on add two questions, and it will automatically be added, as you can see right there. And you can also choose from different categories, customer feedback, and so on if you like some inspiration. So you can do that quite quickly. And you can see right there, you could also edit it if you like to make any changes to a particular question. You can do that. If you would like to move it up or down, you can also do that. And going back to the left hand menu option right here, if we were to tap on style, by tapping on style, you can tap on themes. After tapping on themes, you can scroll down and you can see the different theme options. So let's say, for example, we wanted to change the theme or the look of our survey. You can see how it looks now. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on bill in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on bill, this is where you'll simply drag and drop the questions that you want to ask. So you can see multiple choice, checkboxes, star ratings, drop down. Any one of these you'd want to add, you can simply drag and place it. And if we were to tap on logic right here, all of the features in logic, you'll have to be on a paid plan to use it. And if we were to tap on options, again with options, you can see right here, you could toggle on quiz if you want to enable quiz mode, but we are doing surveys, so we leave it as is. Also, if you like to add an exit link, you can simply toggle that on. And if you like to add a progress bar, so someone will see how far they have reached in the survey, you can simply toggle that on also. Now you can choose whether you like to add it at the top of the page or the bottom of the page. At the moment, it is at the bottom of the page, as you can see right here. If you like to move it to the top, you can do that. So there are numerous little editing features that you can add. If you like to add page numbers, you can also do that right there. If you like to change the language, you can tap on English at the bottom of the page. And I already showed you how to use the question bank feature. You can also change the format by tapping on format. So if you like it to be one question at a time, you can do that right there. So it will be split up in different pages, or you want it to stay as classic. Once everything is to your liking, you can tap on preview survey in the top right hand corner. Once you have tapped on preview survey, you're going to see a preview, as you can see right here, of how your survey looks. Just give it a few seconds to load up, and you will also be able to see the estimated completion rate right there and the estimated time to complete based on the amount of questions that you have asked. You can see my estimated time to complete is 2 minutes. So you can see how it looks right there. This is how it looks at the moment. I'm going to go back into design survey. So I'll tap on design survey right here. After you have tapped on design survey, I'm going to be removing the logo as I want to save it. So to do that now, I'll go back over the option. I'm going to tap on style right there. I'm going to tap right here on the trash can to delete the logo. I've removed the logo. I'll tap on preview survey once more. Once I've tapped on preview survey, you can see it right here. Then I'll tap on next in the top right hand corner. So let's tap on next real quick. Your ideal respondents by simply buying response from the right demographics. So they do offer that feature, but for now I'll use send survey my way. After you have done that, you can see that they offer numerous options. If you're on the paid plan, you can send it directly from this platform by email. You can also embed it in a mobile app if you want, but we'll tap on share survey link. You can also choose to embed it on your site. If you want to share the link, you can tap on share a survey link. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you can quickly copy the link and share it. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.